It is day 5. The way that my schedule works is I have to work 6 days in a row 1 week, and then the other weeks are a little broken up. But I'm almost done through my stretch. Day 5 is not bad. It's usually tomorrow that gets kind of bad. Like I get super tired, but I think with the 7s instead of 5s, it's not gonna hit me as hard, which it normally does. So we're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a fine day, I think. I'm not stressing it. I think it's gonna be just fine. Just got some workload to do and all that, and maybe I'll explain more of that later, but it'll be a good day. I have a really bad habit of just dropping all my clothes here, so I'm gonna wash them before I go to work today. So I have jeans for tomorrow. 10 minutes to get ready. And that means fix this and do my makeup. I have to brush this hair, but I feel like I need to use a wide tooth comb so that I don't lose all of the big waviness and can just touch it up. So my hair held up pretty good. I forgot that. I keep forgetting that I like fully interviewed and got a second job at Cinema Cafe to work on the weekends. And you're supposed to do this like training at home. Let them know when you're finished so that you can start training. And I just keep forgetting to do that. I'm gonna do it tonight because I don't want to like lose that job. Trying to make some extra side income. We would like to buy a house. I don't even know if I need to do anything the hair besides just let it be what it's gonna be. I don't really care, so I can spend a little more time on my makeup, which is cute, which is cool. Anyway, I have to do this training at home, which is just some computer training, like explaining their processes and all that stuff, so that when you go in you're not surprised. Coming from my perspective, like it does sound like it's like free working, like free labor, but and it's something that should be done like on the clock in my opinion, but maybe there's like some sort of like back pay for it, like, oh, you're a part of your training, they add like an extra hour or 2 for doing the scooks, which is what it's called. It's like a school, like scooks, like school but with an X. I don't know why. But so that's what's been like, I'm like I'm not working. I'm off the clock. So it's a little weird, but I'm gonna do it tonight because I think I want to be able to do something this weekend, like whether that's start training or go up there and start making some extra cash, because it's gonna help a lot. We are in this like get everything together and repaired and paid off and all that stuff so that we can buy a house hopefully. But every time I hear about like 7% interest rates, I literally want to cry. It's not cool. Like, I literally want to cry thinking that there's people buying houses at that rate. So it's like also really hard right now. And then rent keeps going up. Like, it's just crazy being a millennial in 2024 right now. It's like with a little mascara on, but just a little color, like nothing crazy. I like to wear these like little hoops. I do have like a lot of options. So I don't actually have pierced ears, so a lot of my earrings are clips. like all of my earrings are clips, and I found all these really cute ones on Shein, and they are all like $1 to $3 each, and I am obsessed. And I have just so many different styles, and I think I moved them all like these. My mom bought me these. I actually made these clips for when we got married in January, but I have just so many options, and I think it was just the best thing I could do for myself, because growing up as a kid with non-pierced earrings, it was really hard. And now as an adult, it's like, cool, I got to get everything I ever wanted. I really like these little red hearts. Some of them give me headaches, so sometimes I just stick to these guys who have like no real like pressure to them. They just kind of like sit there. So that's what we're gonna do today. And then of course the rings. All right, you ready to go potty? You ready to go potty? I talked to him like he's a baby, but he's, oh, careful, he's like 1 year old, so I mean he's still my baby. It's okay, we're gonna go potty. The day. Hopefully, I think it doesn't really matter where my steering wheel is, but we are done for the day. It was a long one because I was just stressed. I had a team member who like is quitting. I don't have a replacement, and not only did I not get a 2 weeks notice, I got a 2 days notice, and I'll be lucky if he comes in tomorrow the next day to fulfill that. I have a feeling that he will not. So hopefully the rest of the week goes okay, because I'm off this weekend. I'm off on Thursday. The best part of this job is that I'm off every Thursday, but I'm just a little stressed. But it's hard for me to get stressed unless I drink an energy drink. Like today, what I know got to me was I had an energy drink around 9 a.m. thinking, oh yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of work done, you know, but I feel like I got a lot of stressing done. Like I got a lot of worrying and anxiousness because of that energy drink, and I told myself, you know, I don't think these are totally necessary anymore, because the way that I was freaking out, I don't wish that on anybody, especially like a manager who has concerns and team and stuff to run. The way that I was freaking out about this staffing problem when it's probably not that serious was crazy. I was having a full-blown anxiety attack, I feel like, and I don't get that. So I think energy drinks are a trigger for me, and I think I need to stop doing them. If you don't know, which you don't because it's my first vlog, I am also like trying to conceive sometime this year. I think I'll do like a whole nother video on that. I'll probably just talk about it at a different time rather than right now, but I'm pretty sure all that caffeine's not good for me anyway. Yeah, my mom gave me this cute little hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. It's like a lotion. So it's white because it comes out like white, which is cool. And it's like a lotion. So it's like a lotion hand sanitizer. It's supposed to like keep your hands nice and moisturized, but also sanitize. And it dries like a hand sanitizer, but it felt like a lotion as I was applying it. checking on the progress of the plant. No, get down. Can't even see the rain, but I love this tree. You're on camera.
Peace to the Middle East.
Kiss, kiss. Tonight we're having chicken. Chicken. Broccoli. I was driving home and I was like, fuck, do I have to make dinner? And I do. We've got broccoli, chicken, broccoli, and rice, which I have such a bad habit of keeping paper towels. Cause then I'll like wipe this counter with it. I'll like hold on to them and then later on I'll just
throw that shit to the trash.
It just seems like it's a waste. So I'll spray the counters and then I'll just wipe them. And you don't have to use fresh paper towel. That's how we elongate our
Stop being a hoarder.
financials. That's not being a hoarder, that's being smart.
That's being smart. Throw that shit in the trash.
You don't talk to me like that in front of my friends. So I'm actually looking at cars because I am 5 payments away from paying mine off and I'm really wanting a new car. Dan, I really don't want to pay over $420 for a car payment because right now I'm spoiled with $330, but my car is basically almost paid off and I would like something new, and I definitely want an SUV, so I'm looking at SUVs now and I really want something, it doesn't have to be brand new, but something in the 2020 plus range. For some reason that just sounds good to me. But the ones that I'm really interested in right now are a Kia Sorento, like a newer one, and a Honda CR-V. There is plenty of everything else. Another one that I've been open to is the Hyundai Tucson. No, not the Tucson. The Santa Fe. I'm kind of over the Nissans. I think this is one that I was like, no. The one that I liked so far was a white CR-V. And I'm looking for it. I reserved it for a test drive this weekend, so I'll take you guys along with me for that. Actually, I made it for Thursday since I'm off Thursday. So that's exciting. I cannot wait to go check that out. But I decided to get off my phone from looking and look on the laptop because my phone was dying. And I really need to start dinner because I haven't yet.